Hello! Today we are going to learn how to organize the work of designing your app. For the success of a design project, but also of an entrepreneurial project or a research project in general, to be carried out with the computer, the first basic practical thing to bear in mind is order. If you want to be orderly, it is important to organize folders according to a logical structure and to name files in a meaningful way. Let's see how to do this. In the previous tutorial, I asked you to create a folder on your desktop called in this way, Design Technology C Course 2021. Inside this folder, you should have the smartphone template that you download from ManagePack. Now, I want you to create another folder. Let's see how to do this. You need to click on the empty space inside this folder, and while you click on this white space, you need to keep the Control button on the keyboard pressed. So you can see this pop-up menu and choose New Folder. You can rename it App Design Folder. Then I want to create another folder inside this one. Double click and open it, and then again click on the white space, keep the Control button pressed, New Folder, and please name the folder in this way, IMG. This folder, IMG, will contain all the images for your app. Now, I want you to copy this file, the template, so copy or keep the combination of button Command C, go inside this folder, click and paste Command V. And please rename it with another name. How to rename this file? You click on this file one time, then on the second time you click again, keeping pressed the Control button, and you choose Rename. I want you to rename, giving to this file your name. For example, Maddalena. This file is the file of your main design. So I want you to put all the screenshot of your app in the smartphone template Maddalena or Eduardo or Alexia, according to your name, and all the image you want to use in your app, you should need to put inside the image folder. So you are not going to lose anything. Thank you.